Hello everyone, welcome back to Michelle the Maker. Put this down. I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be making a reversible Ankara bucket hat. Bucket hats are in right now, but I wanted to add my own little pizzazz, and I'm going to use my Cricut machine to do that. And I really hope you love it. This is my first time making this type of hat, and I'm excited to see the results. So let's get into it. You are going to need a pair of scissors, your Ankara or fabric of choice. I got this pattern free online a moment because you know we on budgets around here. And you're gonna need a sewing machine. Yes, this is a sewing tutorial. And what else? Pins. That's it. And we're gonna get into this, and hopefully it's simple enough. If I'm doing this well, I hope that you guys love it and you're able to recreate your own. These are the two Ankaras that I chose. I'm sorry if you hear a noise in the background. It's the AC and it's hot, so I'm not gonna be able to turn that off no more. I was trying to be like no, it's hot. So bear with me as I go through this.
Does it say about me? See, it's a math, but a science. Where is the formula? And is it honest? People go from peasants to your highness, creating a world of blindness. No, it's becoming mindless. No, somehow ditches define now.
All right, so these are all the pieces you should have. Now you're going to put the pieces together. So there is the brim, and then there is the crown. You're gonna both put right side facing together for those to make sure it is correct. If I believe this is right, I can't even. Yes. You're gonna sew this on the edges, sew this on the edges, and the same for the brim. All right, I'm gonna go and sew now. Okay, so now you're going to start putting the pieces together. You're going to put the top and the crown together, right sides facing. So I don't know if you can see this well, but I'm going to try to get this in. Top of the hat and the seam of the crown should match.
1 through 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then just rule everything. Then just rule everything. Then just rule everything. Then just rule everything around. So 1 through 5.
I went ahead and sewed the other part, not on camera. But now you're gonna have this as the top of your hat. Now you're going to add your brim to the hat. You want to make sure that the seams on the brim match the seams on the top. And of course you're going to do this right sides facing together. This is what you're going to have so far. How cute. I think it's a little too big, but it's all good. It's my first one. Super cute. Now I'm going to join the two pieces together so you know, I can have a reversible moment going. I joined the two pieces together. You're going to join them right sides facing together. You're going to be sewing at the edges and you're going to leave about a ½ inch or more opening so you can flip the hat. Hopefully I remember.
About me, see it's a math, but a science. Where is the formula? And is it honest? People go from peasants to your highness, creating a world of blindness. No, it's becoming mindless. No.
Here's the final product. I actually love it. I think if I had hair, it'd probably be cuter on my head. But I'm probably going to give it to one of my friends or to my mom because they both, all of them have hair. So, yes, I hope you love it. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And with this hat, you can actually reverse with no problem. And you can go about your business. Yes, it is a moment. Get into it. I'm actually going to add something else to my Cricut machine, from my Cricut machine to this hat. And we're going to see how it looks. Thank you. Have a great day.